Hello everybody, welcome back to Minecraft. And today, right now it's almost the 4th of July, so I made a fireworks show. And the fireworks show, I made they're all it's color coded. I have a list, and more fireworks keep going off. 3, 2, 1. Here goes. Light gray says. Black. They're all different. Orange. Black. Orange. I'm not kind of messed up. I'll just get this. Light gray. Then 2 reds. Three grays. Light gray. Orange. Red. Orange. Black. Yellow. Oh. I already know. Then orange. Then another yellow. And then black. Light gray. I already know some of it. Then red. Yellow, gray. And then I know there's another gray. Now this is one of the exciting ones comes up now. Then white. White is one of the special ones. It's all of them. And I do it again. And then red, black, orange. And now for the grand finale, 3 lines. And that's the end of the show, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.